Hey everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. This is how I mix up a solution of sodium percarbonate, or otherwise called oxygen bleach, for exterior cleaning. Sodium percarbonate is a powder. It's you can get it in a couple different forms. One is coated, and one is uncoated. The uncoated stuff from Clean Chemicals in Holyoke, Massachusetts mixes better than any sodium percarbonate I've used. So this is what I use. I'm gonna mix it in this barrel. This is 30 gallons. For the job I'm working on, I only need about 20 gallons. Write this down, I use half a cup of powder to 1 gallon of water. So for 20 gallons of water, I'm gonna use 10 cups of powder. This is my process. It's a warm summer day here. I'm using warm water from my tank. You know, when I say warm, it's probably 60 degrees or something. I filled it with a spigot earlier today and it's been outside all day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple gallons in here, a couple gallons of water. Then I'm gonna add my 10 cups of powder. Then I'm gonna fill it the rest of the way and mix with a power washer using not this tip, but a real pressure tip, a fan tip, not the big soft soap tip, but a pressure tip. So as I'm filling this, it's going to be a whirlpool of, violently spinning water, and that's going to thoroughly mix the sodium percarbonate powder into the solution. Almost every newbie that I talk to, they struggle with getting their sodium percarbonate or oxygen bleach to properly dissolve. You know, they'll do their job and then look in the barrel and realize they have a whole bunch of wet powder that never dissolved. When I use this process that I'm describing, I have none of that problem, and I get the most bang for the buck out of the powder that I'm using. That's the idea. That's how I mix my sodium percarbonate or oxygen bleach cleaning solution in the summer on a warm weather day. Hope that helps somebody.